Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready to go. This simple preparation makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll start by cooking the bacon to a perfect crisp, then move on to the eggs and cheese. Get ready for a fantastic breakfast. Let's get that bacon perfectly crispy. Lay your bacon strips in a cold pan, then turn the heat to medium. This helps render the fat slowly for maximum crispiness. Cook until golden brown, flipping as needed. Once done, remove the bacon and place it on paper towels to drain. Leave a little of that flavorful bacon fat in the pan for your eggs. Now for the eggs. Crack 2 eggs directly into the pan with the warm bacon fat. Cook them to your liking, whether you prefer them scrambled, fried, or over easy. As the eggs finish cooking, place a slice of cheese right on top to get it wonderfully melty. While the eggs are cooking, toast your bread or roll until it's golden and ready. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place the cheesy eggs onto the bottom half of your toasted bread or roll. Next, layer those delicious, crispy bacon strips on top of the eggs. Finally, complete your sandwich with the other piece of toasted bread. Serve it immediately to enjoy the warm, gooey cheese and perfectly cooked ingredients. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.